The price of gas is rising astronomically, and Americans are feeling the pinch. Desperate for ways to save money, most car owners are looking for ways to get the best mileage out of their cars. Experts say there are many gas-saving tips to help consumers at the pump, most notably keeping tires properly inflated. But replacing your car's air filter is also at the top of the list.
Well, a clean air filter actually is less restrictive than an air filter that's accumulated a lot of dirt. With a K&N filter, it's like having a clean air filter in your car every day. A low restriction filter actually takes less energy for the air to move into the combustion chamber, and that's where the savings in energy come.
According to the latest U.S. government research, replacing a clogged air filter can improve your car's gas mileage by as much as 10%. While all filters can perform the same job, automotive experts say they're not all created equally.
Well, with a disposable product, typically there hasn't been a lot of attention paid to either the materials used. They're usually cheaper material and they're mass produced. They're made to be thrown away. The use of a reusable air filter could actually eliminate over 100 million disposable filters that find their way into our nation's landfill every year.
Today, there are environmentally friendly air filters available for most cars on the road that can be easily cleaned instead of replaced and last the life of the vehicle. Car parts manufacturer K&N Engineering Incorporated has developed reusable cotton air filters specifically designed to allow an engine to receive the optimal amount of airflow, which is a key factor for better fuel efficiency and car mileage.
Well, this company invented the cotton air filter, and it was dedicated to the proposition that we could build what we believe was a better product. And it's really better in a couple of basic ways. First of all, it can last for the life of a vehicle. Essentially because it's a washable product. It needs to be washed about every 50,000 miles with use, but we'll keep going. Secondly, it helps reduce waste because it's not disposable. And thirdly, it can help an engine run better because cotton simply breathes well and creates less restriction for the engine.
Well, the cotton air filter is a big improvement because I've noticed that because of the better airflow, the engine performance is much better, the acceleration snap is improved, the fuel economy has gone up, and certainly, of course, the enhanced savings that you get because you're able to clean the filter at every oil change is a vast improvement.
Automobile experts recommend purchasing air filters like these at local auto parts stores, as service providers can charge consumers as much as 3 times more.
It's really very easy to change the filter. Anybody with low-level mechanical skills can do that. And it really depends on the type of housing that your car comes with. If it comes with a housing that you're able to get into to remove the original factory air filter, then you're going to have no trouble removing the K&N filter.
Since 1969, K&N Engineering has sold millions of replacement cotton air filters, and today they even back their product with a 1 million mile limited warranty.
Well, our million-mile warranty is clearly a dramatic way of saying that our replacement air filters are guaranteed to last for the life of a vehicle. And what it really demonstrates is that this is a company that's been around for 39 years and has sold 20 million air filters. And we've actually seen a K&N air filter after 1 million miles of use, believe it or not. And we frequently see them with hundreds of thousands of miles of use. So it really means that we stand behind our product 100% from the day it goes into the airbox to the day the vehicle goes off to the junkyard.
Well, K&N makes products for virtually about anything that you can either ride or drive, or if it's a sports utility type product. You can find that our products actually are designed to make those engines run better in those vehicles. And today everybody likes to make sure their cars or their motorcycles or their ATVs are running as good as they can run. And I think that the trend, everybody's so concerned about saving fuel mileage, and there is no doubt that a clean air filter or a low restriction air filter can help to keep your car or the vehicle running as good as it can run.
K&N Engineering, the leader of high-performance air filters, has designed and developed woven cotton filters that keep out impurities and allow more airflow to enter the engine's combustion process, contributing to less gasoline use and better car performance.
Simply put, cotton breathes easier and with less resistance than woven paper or synthetic materials. And as a result, it can make for a more efficient combustion process because the less resistance an engine has to experience, the more its work can go right into the wheels and create a better running vehicle.
Well, I've used K&N filters in motorcycles over the years. I don't ride motorcycles anymore, but I do have an off-road vehicle. I use it there. It's very important to use a really excellent filter like the K&N cotton filter to filter out the smallest particles. Sometimes the particles can be like talcum powder. And of course I use it in my road car. So I think across the board for any application, from chainsaws to lawnmowers, you can use a K&N filter, and you should.
As Americans continue to feel the pain at the pump, replacing their air filters with K&N may be one of the ways they can improve fuel economy and get a better bang for their buck. For more information about K&N Engineering and their high-performance air filters, please visit knfilters.com.